Oh, we have to jump into that. Alright, just hold it. Here. Alright, there we go.
So you get in and then I'll jump.
Alright. Here.
So you get in and I'll push you.
Here, wait. Don't be flipping me, gang. Here, I can back up too. Oh, water's about to come in. Here, go. Yeah, I'll go this way so you can get in up here.
It's turning because there's more battery.
Are you able to grab? Here, use this. Grab that. Alright, jump. And you got that? Alright. Use this and I'll use this to turn up here. We can just pass it back and forth.
You just put it in the water. You don't have to do anything with it.
Yeah, we could go like right up over there.
And then turn it straight so we can both.
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually works really
So we
nice.
just let it go right here and drift?
Yeah.
Alright, keep it straight. And then we got that. Alright, let's go. Maybe first cast in the boat too. Over there. Am I across?
I'm getting bad from
Alright, I feel like I'm gonna get a bite through. If I get a bite, you might have to help get it in. I'm going through seaweed. That's right there. Yeah, I went through seaweed. I always get such a good cast and then I go through some seaweed and it kind of ruins it. It's not as much as last year.
Hey, look, before you cast out.
Oh, shit.
Here, grab it. So go.
Why is your drag so loose? Where's he at?
Dang, he's big.
Oh,
Dang.
we need a net, bro.
Oh, he's big. That thing
Oh.
is huge.
That's not bad.
Here you go.
We need a net. A net would
How
be
big do you think that was?
maybe like an inch bigger than the one yesterday.
He's definitely bigger than yesterday's. That was
He's fat.
yeah, he was long and fat.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Here you go. I need to tighten him up. Got another one.
You got any real one?
This one's smaller. Oh, dang, he's fast.
That's like the one I caught. Here, can you just pull him? There we go.
Okay. Here you go. I don't want to kill him. Oh, perfect. He unhooked.
Here. You want to put him back?
There you go. Fast. Whoa. Like making it too fast. Well,
Hook the hard one.
that first one is so good.
I don't know. We need a next time
I
we go
know.
somewhere.
Well, it's not really your fault because it's so hard to come in without nets.
They're slick and everything.
Yeah. Do you have a net right now?
No. We never use nets because we never really go on boats.
I have a net, but it's kind of big. I don't have like a little one.
Oh, that was such a perfect cast. I got there no seaweed, but I already had seaweed on. Yeah, I'm gonna try this way. That's where I caught the first fish. There's no wind, it's just raining.
I would rather fish in the rain than heavy wind.
Same, because wind just drift like the whole time, and then you gotta.
And it's hard to cast.
Yeah, it sucks. Oh, that right? Yep. He might be coming for years because it's like.
Oh, he's getting.
It's probably the same fish. He cast in like the exact same spot. I got one. No. I don't. I couldn't hook that hard enough. I might have hit you. Oh, I got a bite literally right in front of the boat. I have a good feeling. That's not a very good cast. Over here.
Maybe we should stay down so I can stand up.
Yeah, because you're kind of in the way.
Yeah.
And we're not really. Oh. No. Seaweed?
When we are pedaling back, we should put it back up. But
We're not really using it right now.
when we sit down, it was actually nice.
Got it?
Oh wait, where's my pliers?
We're kind of in a good spot right now.
Yeah. Do you have bigger pliers than this?
No, I don't have any pliers.
If you get it. Wait.
There we go.
Yep. I push it out. Yep.
Here, I'll go right here. You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Sorry. We're gonna have to bring it right through weeds though.
We're fishing the opposite of where we did it. I bet you there's a bunch of trout under all that stuff right there.
Yeah, it's just hard to get. This is such a good bass pond.
I know. It's exactly. Imagine the frog in here.
I know, on that weeds.
Frog with this.
To see. Oh, it's stuck on a tunnel. Yeah. It's probably like an inch or so bigger than the trout yesterday. That's a good cast.
Doesn't make so much room.
I think I got the perfect spot. Ooh. Sweet.
So many weeds.
It looks like you have a fish and you just hook something really hard. I don't want to try something different. Like a different way. Remember those like green ones that we used last year?
Yeah,
It
those
was,
ones
it was literally every bite.
are backly too.
I know.
Remember, I was using your worms and then I lost one, so I just put on that green thing. It was like the first thing I saw.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a bite like that first cast, and I was just kidding.
You really do have to cast hard. Mine cast actually pretty easy.
I was casting it low and still on that. Just need some bait.
I mean the come on, man. Okay, I'm gonna go up here now. I figured a fish now while you're right in front of me. Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna go back to where we usually go.
Yeah. And make one more cast so we can start hitting that one. What if I just threw a frog on him? How about you just paddle? I could do it super. Or I could go backwards. But I was doing it. Alright, I'm gonna turn it around like this. Actually, so I've been doing it. Too much fun. Good.
Dude, it's so bad. What's the goal I could use it?
Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh, did you lose half your rod? What are you doing?
So that's in the
Yo. I thought you just had a big piece of grass on it. Not the whole half rod.
What a grass.
Oh, that was such a perfect cast. Oh, what the heck? Yeah.
Why do they keep on looking on my grass?
They're taking everybody's trash cans. They're doing it for everybody. It's DeVito and them. I got a backhand cast. You went right through.
Whoa.
You went
I
right.
literally just got a bite and then
Right there?
yes, and then went straight over the wheels. There's like a bite and then
So,
I can't look.
and the thing is that our neighbors cleaned it out too.
I know, it grew so fast.
Don't lose your rod. Look at all these weeds. Crazy.
Good thing they did clean it out. Imagine if they didn't, how bad it would be.
That'd be crazy. Oh my god, look at that cast. You gonna put something new on?
I'm gonna use this for a little bit. I still feel like fun.
I don't know, I feel like once you change, like they start biting more. So. Ooh.
We started off good.
I know.
That's nothing now. No bait though?
I might try something else after a couple more. Maybe they're tired of like the same colors. Good shot. I might try something new.
The farther you go to the right, the more weeds there are.
I know. I'm casting where there's no
Right
weeds.
in the center.
I am. The past 4 casts, I've had nothing.
Wait, we started off really good.
Alright, I'm gonna try something else. Maybe they're tired of the same stuff. Watch you now start to get like 20 bites. Sucks having no. Actually, you do have pliers. What should I try? I might as well pull out my bass stuff. I'm gonna try one of these boys. These boys, You know Cooper Hole, where we couldn't really catch any fish? These actually work really good at Cooper Hole.
Those pink ones.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try. I don't know. Where'd your pliers go? Oh, right there. Oh, it sucks tying in wet water when you're wet hands. Alright. I'm gonna just use a pliers. Is that what? Yeah. I don't mind anything that sits, but it's just kind of boring.
Yeah.
But it's catching fish. It's catching fish though.
Remember last year we got
Huh? I know. That's why yesterday when we first came out, I was saying, should I just throw in a Senko again? Alright. New color. New lure.
Oh, there they are. These boys.
Oh yeah. Oh, I just had a bite.
How should I set this up?
Put it on like a normal one. You know how? Fishing on like Thursday and Friday is gonna be so nice. It's gonna be sunny and like 80. It's not bad fishing in the rain like at the start, but you start to get wet. Unless you're catching fish. It's fun. I'm having good casts. Casts and everything. Look how much this thing spins. Wait, hold on. Let's see. When it gets going, it spins a ton. On a real day, no spin, but it's crazy how much it spins. Turns the whole boat. Holy cow, look at all the seaweed. Oh my gosh. perfect cast.
That wouldn't be good.
It's not gonna work.
Mhm.
Ah, I just had a bite. So, time to spin the whole boat back. Oh my gosh. Ooh, heads. Okay. Ready? I'm in a good spot. A good cast. Okay. Not bad. Miss you, please. I'm gonna try like way right, like over there. Why is the one day that it's like not windy at all? It's gotta rain.
I don't even know though.
Cause yesterday it was windy, but it was sunny. Or not sunny, but not raining. Today it's not windy, but it's raining. I actually got no seaweed right there, except for on the not none on my lure. Please. Do you have any more of those yellow things? Those little bass lures? Those things look like crazy. It was literally every cast. We'd catch one, put it back, catch another. Random bites. Oh, come on. Let me see. Why both of our first casts, our first couple casts, we get fish, then the rest of the time. Remember yesterday too, first cast? And then we still caught other fish, but today,
2 days ago.
yeah. First cast luck. I'm gonna pause for a sec, see what else I got in my tackle box. Next time I'm gonna bring both my, or like 2 rods, so that way I can have like one that sits and one with a lure. That'd be nice. What if I just use one of these? See that little cricket in there? That little cricket?
Oh yeah.
I actually kind of want to try. Honestly, nothing's working at this point. It won't hurt. This is like a 50-cent lure at Farm and Home. And I saw it, so I just like grabbed it. Do you have your pliers? I don't know. I've never used it. I've taken it out, but I haven't used it. It's like 50 cents. Watch. These lures not working now. Oh, this little cricket. She's kind of hard. Hate tying stuff in the rain. Are you still trying to get that worm on?
Hey, I'm just going with it.
That's not too bad.
I just pulled the line to it. Yeah.
Better than before.
Once I have a worm, I can come and
Yeah, you can.
I might try out where all of them.
Maybe they're like over by the, like, yeah, near the weeds, like hiding. Okay. Let's cut this and then we'll try the cricket. What the heck did I do with it?
Right in the middle.
What the heck? Yeah, when I caught the huge trout last year, I was just on that black worm. And then it like took the whole rod. Head back soon. Get this all messed up.
It would be kind of nice, even though on like a day like this, or something, have worms.
I know.
Hard to clean up and just bring like snacks.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Wait.
What?
Did you see that? What the heck?
I didn't think it swim like that.
Bro, why does it actually kind of move? Oh, it has no weight. I can feel that action. Oh no. What the heck? This definitely is not a trout lure. you lose your worm? No, you worm.
Wait, what? Completely you can. I'm just call it.
Yeah. Gonna wet him. Ready? Gonna start to head back.
So you're supposed to have your water.
Yeah. I'm ready. First cast, got something. Nothing else. I'm gonna sit on the edge where it's not nice. My stuff is soaked, but I'm not too much. Hey. Oh, I'm soaked.
You started off with it.
I know. Look at right here.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
Boat's so hard to steer.
Get off first.
Do you pedal? Yeah, want me to just paddle? I can go both sides. Okay, we're good. You said you're gonna get out first? Grab on. You gonna jump? Or you can step right there. Okay. Alright, here. Can you hand me the paddle and hold on? I'm gonna hand you stuff. Oh wait, I might be good right here for a sec. Oh boy. I'm gonna put my stuff in my box real quick. My bag's waterproof, so it's kind of nice. Partially waterproof. Yeah.
I just
What? I can wear mine.
Oh, and then
Yeah.
can you put that lure, just hook it on, see what's kind of netted on the front?
Yeah. Does this go in here?